What's up, guys? So you're here because you're trying to fix an old game or old disc that's scratched up that it won't play. Just letting you guys know this machine right here will fix it. I will leave a link to my affiliate link in the description. You guys can click on that link and go ahead and order you one. But I also will put a video showing you what this product here, what it can do. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Peace. After me fixing the disc, see what it looks like. There's basically no scratches on there now. All right, let's try it out.